Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can do about factorization by s. Similar for this one. Next, ask and ask we simplified. So negative 4s I can put into negative 6s plus 2s. This one I will put about negative 10s and 6s. So we can do about factorization by s. This one by negative number 6. This one by s. This one by negative number 10. And now we can do another factorization in here and here. So we can see that if I put number 6 gone here, this one you got number 0. However, this one we don't have number 0 after we put number 6. So that means the limit equals to number 0. This is the end. Thank you for watching.